welcome to another box break here on Dynasty Central Sports, and of course it's gonna be
Who could ask for more? The number of the day is 4.
If you're keeping up with extended series 21-22 hockey, pick this up at Valley Sports Cards.
Get the fuck out!
So I am testing a theory. As you've seen the past 3 boxes of the extended series, I've hit MEGBEATZ Cider, pulled by Zoe from Sports Source 2. This one is from Valley Sports Cards. If I hit Mo in this one, just means I'm on a huge hot streak of MEGBEATZ Cider. But also, there's a lot of extended series cards for MEGBEATZ Cider. So I'm thinking, is it all about Zoe, or is it just Mo being prevalent in this series? All right, like I've been doing, no fluff. Let's get to the good stuff. We're just gonna be skipping through pretty much most of the base, just seeing the first couple base and then going right to the insert. Let's go. We got 8 cards per pack, 24 packs in this box. We got looks like a 06-07 base Sharks, and that's Timo Meier. Actually, I do really like Timo Meier. He's one of my favorite players on the Sharks, and he is finally coming into his own. All right, we got base, and moving through, it's a Cale Makar triple reflections. As you can see, my reflection in the background. Yeah, Cale Makar triple reflections base. Looks like a clear cut coming up, and that's Nikita Zadorov. Clear cut.
That's lame.
Base version. Nikita Zadorov for the Calgary Flames. I believe he signed somewhere else, though. I don't know for sure. He might still be in Calgary. But, yeah. Clear cut base. We got a Young Gun. See who it is. Ian Cole covering up. It's Michael Pezzetta. Heard that he is a tough customer for the Montreal Canadiens. So, yeah, apparently don't mess with Michael Pezzetta. Actually looks like Blake Anderson from Workaholics.
For sure.
Oh! There we go. And it's a UD canvas. Who is it? Oh my goodness, what a picture for Brandon Tanev for the Seattle Kraken. Take a look at those eyes. Holy shit. Oh, it looks like a SPX 99 2000 insert. Andrei Svechnikov. So if you're out there with me, got food, drink, dab pen, wax, vape pen, whatever out there, not just weed. Got something out there, drink, food, whatever it is, join me and let's rip a bowl and go into stack number 2.
Or 20.
Get as high as possible.
Young Gun, Flyers, Felix Sandstrom. Second Young Gun of Felix Sandstrom I've pulled out of extended, so that's the first duplicate. Oh no, actually, sorry. Michael Pezzetta was the first duplicate. Sorry, Felix. Connor McJesus in the front there. What do you got here? 06-07, Jonathan Drouin. Oh, triple reflections amethyst, Patrick Kane. And that is number 131 out of 300.
I like it a lot.
Oh, Philip Tomasino, and that's an SPX finite, and that's actually out of $7.99. That's a Radiance version. 275 out of 799. Philip Tomasino. That's actually a really cool one. I really like this design, especially with the gold and the shinier rainbow up here. Really cool with the Nashville design with their colors. So give this one a sleeve, and I'll give that a stand because it's first SPX Finite I have gotten. That's not out of $299.9. Young gun of a San Jose player, Ryan Merkley. First time I've pulled Ryan Merkley, and you know, I'm hoping he has the ability to kick it back into notch, like actually, you know, play well, do well for the Shark. Until he gets replaced, he'll get the stand. Take the stand, Mr. Merkley. Canvas, Matt Duchene. Matt Duchene canvas card. Let's rip another one. Take a bite if you're out there eating. What do you got on your pizza today, Ray?
MEGBEATZ.
Oh yeah!
That is a good 06-07 Young Gun Tribute Quinton Byfield QB. I have been hitting every one of these. Shane Pinto, I got in the first box. Then I got the Moritz Sider in second box. And then in the third box, Lucas Raymond. And now Quinton Byfield. I saw that there was high gloss and exclusive versions of these as well. Oh, love to hit one of those.
Not today.
You fighter. Alright. Young Gun. Pia Suter covering it up, and it's a Hurricane Seth Jarvis.
Yes!
That is a good one. That's the second Seth Jarvis I've pulled, and it is a great name to have duplicates of. Gold holographics. It's a red. Oh no, it's not red. It is that Cole Perfetti? Cole Perfetti. And funny enough, I have a small Cole Perfetti PC apparently growing. I did not know I did, but I have a couple Cole Perfetti cards out there. So if anyone actually collects Cole Perfetti, hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, or in the email down below in the description box. And I got a couple of them, so maybe you'd be interested in them. Let me know, and maybe we can work out a deal. There's a gold holographics Cole Perfetti. Very cool. I like that card. All right, we'll swing Swayman in there. The last pack of this for last stack. We got canvas of Anthony Duclair. What a shot. That is a nice goal, nice picture. But let's go. We got last stack here and see what we got. French variant Mitch Marner, and that's the All-Star game. That is pretty cool. A French variant version of that card, which is yeah, interesting, but I'm not really a Mitch Marner fan. So my friend Donald, who buys almost every Toronto Maple Leafs card, might be interested in that one. So I've yet to pull a French Young Gun in any of these extended boxes, or a canvas Young Gun, so we're on the loose for that. '06-07 Anders Lee.
Have to say next.
We got Young Guns And Devils, Nico Dawes, German goaltender for the Devils.
How cool, I mean awful is that?
Very cool. I mean awful.
Might have actually a good chance to jump into the lineup and really give his get a chance to show his stuff. So might be a good young gun to hold on, one of the more top goaltenders, even though we all know goaltenders are quite scary to collect unless their names are Vasilevsky, Shesterkin, and possibly Jesper Wallstead coming up soon. But yeah, Nico Dawes for the Devils. Holographics of Dawson Mercer, center for the Devils. Holographics, rookie, pretty good. What do we got behind here? Oh, rookie gems, not a variant. See who it is. Derek Forbort, you're in the way. So let's slide this down. See who it is. 52. It's not a great number, but that's Vasily Podkolzin.
Another one.
Single diamond for such a touted rookie. All right, 2 packs left. Canvas of Anthony Cirelli. Going down the DAP line.
Feel like a black cat.
All right, we got a last pack here, and you know what that means. With most flagship big pack, besides the 1 pack boxes that we rip out here, we go with a last pack slow roll, and that means we're gonna turn down the lights, change up the music, and we're gonna unwrap this beauty and undress it slowly and give each card its time. So here we go with the last pack slow roll of Extended Series 21-22. Mark Giordano, Derek Brassard, Mikko Rantanen, Connor McMichael, Jared McCann, Austin Dick Broom, Matthews, Linus Allmark, Young Gun, Cam Deneen.
What?
All right, well, that was a last pack slow roll, finishing off with the last box with a last box Young Gun of Cam Deneen. So let's take a look at what we got in this box and wrap up real fast. Of the non-sleeved hits that we got, let's see what we got here. We got the UD Canvas Anthony Cirelli. I'm not going to turn it. Dawson Mercer holographics base. Anders Lee 06-07 base. The UD Canvas of Anthony Duclair scoring a sweet goal. Matt Duchene UD Canvas walking down the line. Jonathan Drouin, hashtag didn't know you're in the league still, 06-07 base. Andrei Svechnikov, 99-2000 SPX base. And Spooky Ghost, Brandon Tanev, UD Canvas. Oh my gosh, that's a hilarious picture. No matter what you think, that's a great picture. All right, of the sleeved non-Young Guns, we got a Vasily Podkolzin single gem, rookie gem, black diamond 05-06, gold holographics Cole Perfetti, a triple reflections amethyst 131 out of 300 Patrick Kane. That's the clear cut of Nikita Zadorov base. Triple reflections base of Kel McCarr. 0607 Timo Meyer base. Of the young guns that did not get the top loader love, we got Cam Dineen for the Coyotes. Nico Dawes, goaltender for the Devils. Felix Sandstrom, goaltender for the Flyers. Michael Pezzetta, tough guy, Montreal Canadiens, other known as Blake Anderson. All right, we got a young gun of Ryan Merkley. Hopefully he can bring it together and be a good defenseman, offensive defenseman for the Sharks. They do need him to step up right now. We got a SPX Finite Radiance, 275 out of 799, Philip Tomasino. Young gun, second one I've gotten now, of Seth Jarvis. Second one I've gotten now, Rookie Gems Triple Diamond, Jeremy Swayman. And to finish it off, again, we've hit awesome 0607 Young Gun Tributes, and this is not breaking the trend. We got Quinton Byfield. So let me know what you thought of this by smashing like down below, hit subscribe, and throw me a comment. Love to hear from you, and thank you for supporting Dynasty Central Sports. And hit me up on Instagram or Twitter. And yeah, love to talk chat about cards all the time. So thank you for watching. And remember, happy tokes with your smokes and safe ripping. We'll see you